Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. I was just doing this quick repair, and maybe you could even call it like a conversion of these shoes. These are some gym shoes that I've had for quite a while. I think they're like supposed to be um, basketball style shoes. I don't play basketball, but I like them pretty good. They're by Under Armour. And anyway, I converted them to my mountain bike shoes since I started getting back into mountain biking, which was when the virus started. So I saw that they were starting to get chewed up by the pins on the pedals. Let me show you that. There's an example of a pedal that has pins on it, traction pins. That's what I call them. It's a tiny nut and a bolt, basically. But they do tear up shoes. So I got to thinking, real mountain bike shoes have a pretty flat sole on them, very grippy sole, and they're also more towards the stiff side than the soft side. These I have some inserts inside the shoe, just regular old arch support type inserts that I use on a lot of my shoes. Anyway, long story short, shoe glue has been around forever, and I'm spreading it onto the part of these shoes that gets worn. I recall using this decades ago, and it worked pretty good on running shoes, and I think it's going to work here too. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and gals. Just spread it on. I've got a little plastic applicator that I'm spreading it on with. You let it dry overnight, and then there you go. So if this helps you out, give me a thumbs up or a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. One last thing. When you're done spreading it around, make sure you put the shoes so that what you've spread out is level, because it will be a little bit runny if you had this on an angle. So in case that's not obvious, that would be what you want to do. Okay?